What's up, guys? Welcome to Wednesday, where we take you behind the scenes for what's in the shop. This is the first time I've done this in a while. I've been out of the shop because we're adding a new store. So our St. Louis location will be open in about a week, so hopefully you'll see some updates from there. But right now we're in Latrobe, so we'll start over here. We've got a Honda S2000. If you're a Fast and the Furious fan, you probably like these, like most of our shop. This thing is looking absolutely awesome after a correction and a coating. Right beside that, we've got a 392 Durango. Jimmy's pulling up on ramps right now. We just did paint protection film on the hood. It's getting the bumper and a wear and tear package as well. And right beside it, I don't know if this one made it in any other week, but this thing looks rough right now, but it's gonna look really cool when we're done with it. This is for our good friend Wes. This is a Saturn Sky that was turned into an Aperta, which basically means the whole top of the car, windshield, pillars, and all are cut off. It's got an LSX in it, so this thing probably flies. Obviously custom interior. We are going to be taking all of this off, sending it out to our friend at a body shop so he can sand some stuff smooth, and then we're rewrapping it in a pink chrome. We don't do vinyl very often anymore, but every once in a while there's a project that we decide we're gonna tackle. So this is one of them. And on the lift, this is a Z06. I think this is the Z07 package. That's what this aero wing and some other options are, some of the other aero things. Black with the red interior, gorgeous car, getting a full 10 mil wrap, ceramic coating, and window tint. So basically everything that we do is going down on this Z06. Right beside it is an F-150 Tremor. This car came to us from a local body shop. We had to do a partial front end. So part of the hood, part of the fenders, the front bumper, and the grille are now protected. And right behind there is another Ford, a Super Duty F350. This one got paint protection film on the whole front end, and now it's getting a ceramic coating. Something we do on these Super Duties, it's borderline impossible to get film to lay in these letters. These are deep recesses from the factory. A lot of shops just tell you, hey, this is gonna look like crap. That's it. We tell you that, and then we explain that there is an option. So these are straight from Ford, these are metal, and they fit those inserts perfectly. So they look cool, they're relatively inexpensive, and they pretty much solve that problem. Back here in the wash bay, Caleb is working on a Trackhawk. You guys know I love Hellcats. This one's here for a paint correction and a ceramic coating, right? Awesome. The paint on this one needs some love, right?
A lot of love.
Yeah, so a lot of micro scratches and swirl marks on this. Looks like it's been taken maybe through some car washes with brushes, and we're gonna make sure that it doesn't look like that anymore. Over here in the tint bay, we've got Terrell working on another F250. I guess it's Ford day here at Latrobe. Tinting the fronts, the back, the sunroof, and I think a visor as well. All right, outside, my new truck is here. So I just got back into town, finally picked this thing up. The guys had stealth wrapped it while I was gone, which is cool. I'm now officially part of the stealth gang with Aaron and Patrick and Max. So first stealth wrap for me. This Tundra was here for an annual inspection on the ceramic coating. This G-Wagon, we always stand behind our work. G-Wagons are really, really hard to wrap in paint protection film, and there's something going on with the door where in the one groove it's sort of bubbling. So we're gonna remove that and replace that film free of cost to the customer. Of course, sometimes things happen. And this Subaru got paint protection film on the whole front. The hood, the fenders, and the front bumper are protected on that. And this orange Mustang was here for an annual inspection as well. I'm pretty sure that one is done and ready to go home. And another Tremor. This is not the same one as inside. This one we did the entire front end, so the whole hood, the full fenders, front bumper, mirrors, and it's getting ceramic coated next. Speaking of ceramic coatings, this Ford Galaxy 60 something, probably a 64 or something. This one got window tint and a correction and a coating. So this car looks really, really good after all of that. This is my Gallardo. We're going down to the Pittsburgh Vintage Grand Prix today. They've got a little car show thing going on in downtown, so they asked me to be in that with my car, so the guys got it cleaned up for me. Thank you, Terrell. And this Cayman GTS was previously in for paint protection film and a ceramic coating. A couple little touch-up things. It was here for a 2-week wash, basically, and I want to say it got a scratch or something since we did the car, and so something has to get polished out. So no big deal. We're going to get that taken care of. That's it for what's happening in Latrobe. We are busy out of our minds. Let's see what's happening in North Pittsburgh.
What's up, guys? It is Wednesday. Welcome to Gibsonia. We got a ton of cool stuff in the back. Let's take a walk inside and check it out. In the coating area, we have this 2023 Lincoln Navigator. This is in for a full paint correction. You can see, of course, black paint is really tough to maintain, and there are a lot of water spots on this vehicle. So we'll be polishing off all the water spots along with the micro swirls, and then coating the entire vehicle in our XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating, along with tinting all the side windows and the back window in our 5% tint. In the tint bay, we have a brand new BMW i4 M50. This one is a factory matte paint job. So you can see here, that has the frozen paint, as BMW calls it. So we did the track package paint protection film on this vehicle, tinted all the side windows and the back window, and she's just about good to go. In the back, we got Steve doing his thing on this 2016 Porsche Cayenne. This is an insurance paint protection film job. We're doing the front bumper, the back bumper, and the fender on this vehicle. Up on the lift is our full wrap of the week. This is a really unique and, in my opinion, cool paint color. So we'll be protecting the entire vehicle in our Ultimate Plus paint protection film, tinting the 2 front windows, which is already done, to match the back section, and then coating the entire vehicle in XPEL Fusion Plus. On the platform in our showroom, we have this 2023 Dodge Challenger wide body. This was in for our full frontal paint protection film, tint on all the side windows and the back window, and our Fusion Plus ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. Outside, we have a brand new Grand Cherokee from our friends at St. Barnabas Auto here in Gibsonia. This one's getting all the side windows, the back window, and the visor tinted, and a 5% window tint. Next up is a BMW Z4. It's got some really cool wheels. And this was in the shop here for our window tint package. We did the side windows and the back window in our Prime CS 20% tint. Next up is this 2023 CLA 35 from our friends at Bobby Rahal, Mercedes-Benz Pittsburgh. This one got our Prime CS 20% on the sides and back. That's all for Gibsonia. Let's kick it down to Nate in Miami.
What's up, guys? This is Nate from Blackout Tinting Miami. Let's check out what we've got in the shop this week. Here we have a brand new Porsche 911 Turbo S that's going to get a full XPEL PPF wrap, Fusion ceramic coating, as well as XR ceramic tint around the sides. As always, we have another Corvette C8 here that's getting a PPF track package protecting that front end and rocker panels, as well as a Fusion ceramic coating. Here in the tint bay, we have a 1980 El Camino. It's going to be getting our XR Plus ceramic tint on the sides, back, as well as a visor on the front. Outside, we have a Tesla Model 3 that's got the full front clip PPF applied, as well as XR Plus ceramic tint on the sunroof, windshield, sides, and back. Outside, we have a brand new 2023 Toyota Corolla Hybrid SE. This is a limited run model. Customer brought it in to get the full paint protection foam wrap, as well as a ceramic coating. Over here, we have a brand new Ram TRX, had the full PPF wrap done, as well as a ceramic coating and tint about 2 weeks ago. It just came back for the PPF checkup. A vehicle you may have never seen before. This is a 2012 Fisker Karma. It's actually a hybrid vehicle, has an electric motor and gas motor, and it also, one of a kind, has solar panels on the sunroof to help charge that battery during the day. This vehicle is in the shop this week to get a full front clip paint protection foam wrap. That's all we got done in the shop this week. If you like what you saw, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let us know how we're doing.
Today, I'm at the St. Kilian Parish installing safety and security film. This is designed to buy the people in the building time to react to a situation when someone's trying to get inside. It comes in tinted and clear versions, and what this school is getting is our 8mm clear film with a caulking attachment system to bond the frame, the film, and the glass together to give it the most strength possible. We'll see you next week.